In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed a Replit web app into Shopify. First, go to Replit, then find the app which you want to embed. I will do this one as an example. Open up your app and you have to give it this prompt here. You will type, give me HTML responsive code for this app. Once Replit completes this command, then what you need to do is simply copy this whole code right here. Right click, copy. Next, we will go to Shopify, then scroll down until you see Online Store. Click on Online Store, then Themes, scroll down and select Edit Theme. Here, we will need to add a section where we want our app to be added. Click on Add Section and then choose Custom Liquid. Once you create a custom liquid section, just click on it, then paste the code which we just copied, and you will have your Replit app working and responsive right here. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.